So some other words with this T to S switch. The word for big is gross, like great. You see the T switching there to an S and some vowel changes as well. Gross.
Gross.
What do you think das means? Das.
That.
That. Good. We have the D to TH and the S to T. So we have two letter switches happening there. TH to D and T to S. That, das. And this can also be used like this. So das is this or that. The word for is ist. Ist.
East.
So now you could say this is big or that is big or great. So let's make a recap of these words. What is this or that?
Das.
And what is?
Est.
Ist.
East.
Good. And big or great?
Gross.
Gross. How would you say this is big?
Das ist groß.
Das ist groß. This is big. This is not big. This is not big.
Das ist nicht groß.
Das ist nicht groß. Good. This is better.
Das ist besser.
Das ist besser. Good. Is this better? Is that better?
Ist das besser?
Very good. Ist das besser? Isn't this better? And as I mentioned before, deconstructing the English takes you closer to the German order. Is this not better? Isn't this better? Is this not better?
Ist das nicht besser?
Good. Ist das nicht besser? Good. How do you think you would say out? Out in German.
Aus.
Aus. Good. Ausgehen. Ausgehen means to go out, like a bar or a club or something. Ausgehen.
Ausgehen.
How would you say I want to go out?
Ich will ausgehen.
Ich will ausgehen. We said we could use the word then, like because in German. So what is then in German?
Then.
Good. I want to go out because I can't sleep. I want to go out because I can't sleep.
Ich will ausgehen, denn
I can't.
ich kann nicht einschlafen.
Good. Ich will ausgehen, denn ich kann nicht einschlafen or denn ich kann nicht schlafen. I can't sleep, I can't fall asleep. Ausschlafen, to outsleep, ausschlafen, means to sleep in. So to sleep in German, is to sleep out. To have a long sleep in the morning. To sleep in German, to sleep out. Ausschlafen.
Ausschlafen.
I want to sleep in.
Ich will ausschlafen.
Good. So we have einschlafen, to in sleep, which actually means to fall asleep, and ausschlafen, to outsleep, which actually means to sleep in. How do you think you would say what in German?
Was.
Was. Very good. Was. We have the W sounding like a V and the T to S switch. Was. What was to want? Sounding much more like voluntary.
Wollen.
Wollen. Good. So we have ich will, but to want is wollen. How would you say what do they want? Or what do you want, speaking formally? So start with what, get that out of the way.
Was
Do you want? Do they want?
sie wollen.
Good, but you must make
Was wollen sie?
Perfect. Was wollen Sie? What do you want? What do they want? Was wollen Sie? What do you want to eat?
Was wollen sie essen?
Was wollen Sie essen? Good. What are we eating? What are we eating?
Was essen wir?
Was essen wir? What are we eating? Good. And how would you say, what is this?
Was ist es?
Was
Mhm.
is. What is the word for is?
Ist.
Ist.
Was ist das?
Good. Was ist das? What is this? So the word for it was
Es
es. And the word for is was?
ist.
Good. How would you say it is?
Es ist.
Es ist. What was the word for big or great?
Groß.
It is big.
Es ist groß.
Good. Es ist groß. It is not big.
Es ist nicht groß.
Es ist nicht groß. Very good.